Hey guys, Michael Gilbert here, and we are gonna be playing some Turbo Dismount. I hope you like my custom-made freaking
Intro.
yeah.
Intro song.
Hope you like it. I made it myself. If this will stop.
You still have much to learn, however, pedal the only pedal one.
Whatever. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. If we'll stop being stupid, we will play some Turbo Dismount. Create. Hurry. We are playing some Turbo Dismount. I'm sure you all know. I hope y'all know what Turbo Dismount is. Oh my God, guys, hang on. Okay, guys. I hope y'all know what this is. It's where you gotta try and kill yourself, basically, with obstacles. I don't have a small chase. Let's try mold chase to start off with. I've never actually played this game before. I've heard some great things about it though. Alright. Vehicles. The Sweet Justice. Oh. Moses. What? He's gonna kill himself. Alright. Let's move that over there. Let's go. We're a police car. Don't worry about us. Just patrolling the city. Don't worry. We're not doing anything! No! Guys, we died. I think we were going too slow. I think that was the problem.
Sit on your bed.
I think
On your bed.
I think if we go a little slower, they won't come after us.
Watch your sister, make sure she doesn't come out of her room when we get home.
Okay. I don't think going very slow is a good idea either. Let's go super fast.
Hey, Michael, you got any books I can have? We'll read?
No.
Dang it.
Whoa, too fast. Oh, we're gonna die. Guys, we're gonna die. And we're dead. Oh, ow. Nope, they run us over. Ah!
Hey, guys.
Okay, they tried to kill us. I hope that they didn't kill me. Let's try a different level. Big air combo. Let's see how combo-y this really is. I don't think this is a very safe pose. Ready. Hey, you can have obstacle. Whoa. Wow, this looks much safer. Let's go. Ah! Oh, we're doing it. Yes, we did it. Splat. Guys, we didn't do it. I'm sorry, I failed you. Let's see what obstacles do. Let's have, let's see. Let's have a minefield. Let's have a semi-big ramp. Some semi-big ramps. A brick wall. Oh Lord, guys. A low blow. Bowling pins, of course, some mines, and traffic cones. Yes. Let's see. A turbo pad. a brake pad, a turbo pad. Ready? Let's go. Brake. I didn't even touch the brake. Yeah, I did. Okay, let's go faster. Whee! I think we went too slow. Here we go now. Yay. Brake. And go, go, go. No! We're gonna die! Going down for real.
Down the mall.
Okay, the car crushed us. Let's give this another shot, but faster. Okay, let's go. Whee! No! Stop it! No! No! Okay, we're gone. Bye. Surprise. Let me see. Hit the fan. I don't know what this could be. Whoa. Let's get a different vehicle. Perfect. This thing can fly, I hope. Let's see how good you are flying. Wait, we need obstacles. Reset. Excuse me. Big ramp. Yeah.
You're excused, buddy.
We're gonna make this birdie fly. We're gonna make it be free. Anywhere, everywhere you go. No, guys, I went too slow. Oh well, turbo pads will fix that. Here we go now. Whee! Whee! Fly, my pretty! Oh my god. This car isn't very good at flying. This bird is not very good at flying, guys. When birds fly.
When cars fly.
Yeah, when cars fly. This is literally, this looks like a token ride you can find at Walmart. Scrunch. Let's try and go for one of the semi-big ramps. Here we go. Whee! Full speed almost. We're the fastest bird alive.
No, that's...
Bird alert. Ow! The fan hit me and took my head off. And ow.
Fastest bird alive is a hawk. You're not a hawk. You're a car.
Let's go the other way. Whee! Too slow, guys. We're the slowest bird alive. Whee! Are we done yet? Nope. Whee! Oh my god! What is it doing?
Oh, is it glitching now?
Here we go. Yes! We have better speed this time. That means we get a better jump. Ow! It took my head off. Fly, scrunch. Yeah, I got points for breaking my neck. I got points for breaking my neck, guys! I'm special. Let's go this way.
Wait, is the purpose of the game to commit suicide?
Yeah, you get points for it. Wait, I could drive around? Whoa!
Go for the middle one.
Whee!
That one looks more promising.
Okay. If it looks so promising, then come look for yourself if it's promising. Look, come look.
Looks more promising to death.
Look, this is all it does. Here we go, guys. It just makes you do a backflip. And it makes you nosedive. Okay, guys. That has got to wrap it up for this video on Turbo Dismount. I will see you guys in the next video. if you did enjoy this turbo dismount video, be sure to go like the video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, so you can know when I make any new vids. Other than that, I'll see you in the. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.